Let's start by saying that a fully electric, independent air conditioning system is an efficient and eco-friendly solution that provides thermal comfort without relying on the vehicle's engine, as it operates with an independent electric compressor. With cooling capacities exceeding 8,000 BTUs per hour and weighing approximately 20 kilograms, these systems are ideal for vintage cars, senior scooters, electric touring vehicles, light trucks, construction machinery, and other vehicles with small openings for skylights. Depending on the model, these systems can be powered by 12 volts, 24 volts, or even up to 48 and 72 volts. The system's current will, of course, depend on the vehicle battery's voltage. For example, for 12-volt batteries, the average consumption is around 55 amps, although this varies depending on the selected capacity of the unit. The dimensions of these systems are approximately 70 centimeters in length, 70 centimeters in width, and 32 centimeters in height. On the screen, we can see the essential parts of the system. These include compressor, with an integrated motor. Most of these systems use a scroll-type compressor, which ensures smooth operation, low noise levels, and reduced starting torque. Expansion valve. Typically, they use a block-type thermostatic expansion valve, designed for better control of the required refrigerant quantity. This ensures proper refrigerant superheat at the evaporator outlet and a robust structure that prevents failures. Evaporator coil, responsible for cooling the cabin air, which is directed toward the vehicle's occupants. Condenser coil, large and parallel flow designed, it improves heat exchange, optimizes heat expulsion to the outside, and ensures the condenser pressure values remain within acceptable ranges. Condenser fans, electronically controlled, designed to optimize operation and always ensure the proper speed. Evaporator blower, responsible for directing the cooled air to the occupants. Electronic compressor controller, receives direct current from the alternator or vehicle battery, and converts it into high-voltage three-phase current to efficiently power the compressor, while simultaneously controlling the compressor motor speed. Electronic system controller, allows efficient operation tailored to the user's needs. Connection pipes, linking the system components. Condensed water drain hoses, direct water to the exterior to prevent unwanted accumulation. Most of these systems use R-134a refrigerant gas,